Well, my darling, it's not going to fix itself, certainly, my darling. You know what? It will fix itself. I promise you this. I promise you this, Philip. What, your beauty's going to fix itself, my darling? Oh, that. Well, I'm really beautiful. I don't see why it would need fixing. Marco, Philip. Marco, Philip. Why are you fixing your bike, Marco, Philip? Is that what the problem is? Your bike's broken and you want to blame my beauty, Marco, Philip? Yes, my darling, I do. But Marco, why do you want to blame my beauty, Dunham? Because, darling, my friend was riding my bicycle and he saw you and he thought you were so beautiful, so he tripped and fell off the bike and now it's broken, Dunham. Oh, Marco. Well, that I can't help, Marco, Dunham. I can't help that, Dunham. Well, my darling, it's just something I can't understand, my darling. You know what, Marco, I just don't know what to say, Dunham. Well, my girl, just say nothing, darling. This is gonna take me forever to fix, darling. And I'm really mad at you, my girl, Dunham. Well, it's not my fault your friend saw me and reacted, Dunham. Well, my girl, what do you expect, darling? You're so pretty wearing a short dress and being all beautiful, my darling, Dunham. And nice hair and nice stilettos, Dunham. Well, Marco, I'm sorry, I couldn't help it, Dunham. I couldn't help it, Dunham. Well, my darling, you should try a little harder to be a bit more, out of the limelight, my darling. Michael, I can't be out of the limelight. You know this. You know this. Au revoir, everyone. Au revoir. Bye. Bye now.
Bye, guys.